Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and we are part of the Wild and Wacky Recipe Collab for 2025, hosted by Sherri over at Southern Roots. So make sure to check out the playlist and all that. It will be down in the description below. Today's episode, we are going to be making some dill pickle hot sauce. So let's get started. There's not a ton of ingredients, but here we're going to go through it. So we are using extreme pickle spears. You can smell my tasting chicken. Okay, we're going to put the chicken over here for later. That's for tasting the sauce after. Okay, so we are starting with some extreme pickles, which is going to bump this up a notch, I think, as well. And I'm using those because that's what I had on hand. So we need a half a cup of chopped pickles. We need 1 cup of chopped pickles, half a cup of pickle juice, which we're going to put in there, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. It called for 2 cloves of garlic. That means we're going to do 4. 2 to 3 jalapeños. These are pretty big, so we're going to go with 2 for now. Paprika, honey, and salt to taste. So we're just going to get chopping and get all this stuff put into, I'm using my Vitamix, but you can use a Vitamix, blender, food processor, whatever you want. So tasting spoons. Okay, so we're just gonna get this stuff off the table easily, and they say to chop it, but like we're just gonna do a really rough chop because it's going right in the blender. So, and you can use gloves if you want, if you're worried about the spiciness, but I'm not too worried with jalapenos, so we're going all in like this. Boom, and boom, there we go. Now for the other ingredients, we got our vinegar. I'm not even going to bother chopping the garlic. It calls for, I think it's like half a teaspoon of paprika, so we're going to eyeball that. Good enough. I'm going to go in with some salt. Probably go in with more salt at the end, but I don't want to over salt because it is dill pickle. Half a teaspoon of honey. We're also just going to eyeball that because I don't want to get something dirty just for that. I just got a piece of salt that went in. Okie dokie. And all we have left is the pickles. So we're going to go with half a cup of pickle juice. Where's my measuring? Here we go. So there's our half a cup of pickle juice, and then we are going to start chopping up the pickles. And we're going to awkwardly use a spoon because I forgot to bring a fork down. So hopefully we have enough in the jar to get a full cup of chopped pickles. And again, just a rough chop. And I lied, that's not going to be enough pickles. Hold on while we get another jar. That's not going to open. Okay, we're going to do the spoon trick. The spoon trick. There we go. Perfect. Okay. And alright, so there we are with a cup of chopped pickles and a half a cup of juice. And let me just clear this out of the way, and we're going to put the machine right here. Alright, so we are using my vintage Vitamix. This thing is like mid-90s. It's one of the first generations of Vitamix. We've had to replace a few parts on it, but it's still going strong. So we're just going to start out slow and then go zoom, 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 okay? So let me see where we at. Here we go. Why is that so? Is it on max? We're gonna start slow, like I said. Here we go. And now I'm gonna go up. Okay. I don't know what color it's supposed to be. That really lightened it a lot. Okay, it looks really good. It smells amazing. Okay, so we're gonna pour it in our jar. Let me get this. I think it's quite breezy out here today, so we're gonna pour it in our jar. Ooh, and it just fits in here. That's perfect. Okay. I will clean it up better with the spatula. Okay, I promise. All right, so now we're gonna taste it. I'm excited. So I have some chicken here. I just have some shredded chicken that I tried earlier today that I made, and then some fresh tomatoes. All right. I get a larger bag to taste test as well. Thank you to my lovely assistant. All right, so here we go. Truth. Can you stop with the crinkling? Let's see. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's going to be really good on like a hot dog or a hamburger or a taco.
I like that. I'm not normally a fan of hot sauce.
It's got a kick from the jalapeno. It's not super hot. Like, you could definitely add more heat if you want to. You want to try it with the...
Yeah.
Let me put a little more sauce on. Yeah, you could definitely have added the third jalapeno. If you want.
I kind of like the mildness.
But yeah, you could eat a lot more of it because it's not too hot. Oh my god, that's so good. That chicken's really good.
We're just eating.
We're just eating. I did this chicken in the Instant Pot with a bunch of spices and stuff today because we're going to be making tacos and beans. Please do not keep touching the chip bag. It's so loud. Oh my god. Okay, you gotta try this one.
So
I gotta go chicken. It's like a little mini chicken tostada. Oh my gosh, this is good. Okay, so if you don't like it super hot, if you want it hotter, you can definitely make this spicier. Just add in spicier peppers. I do think it called for some cayenne, which I didn't add, but I have definitely, like, I can see several hot peppers growing right now. That would taste really, really good in here as well. Like, oh, the lemon ahi would be good. But if you like dill pickles and you like a little kick of heat, this is absolutely fantastic. So thank you so much to Sherri over at Southern Roots for inviting me for this wild and wacky 2025 collab. We had a great time and I hope you did too. Make sure to check out the link down below. It'll link you to her channel and to the whole playlist of everyone else that is doing some wild and wacky recipes. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye.